No one can stop me.
Hello everybody and welcome back to DLD Customs. Dylan here, and today working on this Dodge Ram 1500. It's a 07 or 08 I think. Running a Misfire in cylinder 2, which if I believe, if I read the firing order correct, it's this one right here would be cylinder 2. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fuck with that and see what's up. Alrighty guys, so I already finished it, but I'm going to explain how to fix it. So like I said, this was cylinder 2. You have to take this bolt out right here, and then on the back side of that, right here, there's a second bolt. After you get those two bolts out, the coil pack just comes right out. And then I had to use a long extension and a spark plug socket to get the old ones out. Here's the old ones right here, pretty bad. The spark plugs for this truck are gapped to 0.044. The ones that I took out were gapped. I gapped them at sorry about the motorcycles driving by. They gapped at 0.09. So definitely getting bad. It idles better, sounds a lot better. Cleared the codes, so if he has any more issues, then he's probably gonna have to replace the rest of the coil packs as well, because he was throwing a code p0302, which is for cylinder 2, but then he's throwing a code for p0300, which is for random misfire. So I mean, it's probably about time he changes all of the spark plugs and coil packs, because it's been a while, or I don't know if he's ever done it before at all actually. Sounds a lot better. That fixed the problem for now. I told him if the check light comes back on, I will run the codes. It shouldn't be cylinder 2, because like I said, I just fixed cylinder 2, but if it does throw the p0300 again, then it's going to be random misfiring, so it's most likely one of the other cylinders. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Wasn't too bad, probably only took me like 20 minutes. Should have took a video when I had the plugs, getting the plugs out, but it's not too hard. But definitely not too bad of a job, at least this one. Only one I think I have a little bit of trouble doing is these ones back under the brake shit right there. Shouldn't be too terrible, but definitely be a lot tighter of an area to work. So thank you guys for watching this video. That's all I'm going to be doing with this thing. Stay tuned for more videos on things that I do around here. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.